This is a behind the scenes look at how I created the Keto Pinkprint. We are heading to a hotel. I'm gonna check myself in and work on my projects because I feel like I'm running out of time, and I don't know, I'm putting pressure on myself, but isn't this what you're supposed to do when you want better? So I'm just showing you guys. This is the funniest thing ever. Like, there's a whole live computer in the back seat, and this is what she does to help support me, and I love you. I love you, babe. Thank you. And this is kind of ridiculous if you really think about it. But it's what I feel I need to do. So thank you for allowing me to be ridiculous. I honestly just felt compelled to share my journey, and I wanted to create a platform for women to connect on all things keto. Here we are. This is it. When I got in this room, I can feel it. Like, I literally felt the energy. I felt I was going to change so many lives in so many different ways, including my own. I did it for myself first and foremost, and I just wanted to continue on the journey I was on. I went through a lot. If you've seen my journey, you know, but the long story short is I had to support all of my hard work, and of course, I wanted to be a resource. I wanted to help anyone else, because at the end of the day, if you want it, you gotta work for it. Okay, so that was a little tour of the room. I am all checked in. I am all set up. I basically feel like I need to really just sit down, focus, no distractions, and I told my girlfriend that I just want to lock myself in a room with just my computer, and here we are. She made it happen, as she always does when I ask her for something. I love her so much. Like, she helps me no matter how crazy my ideas sound. So I am about to finish one of my projects today. I'm super fucking excited. I've been working on this shit since like April, so yeah. Let me get off of this and get to it. I did bring a couple of things from home. I brought my computer, I brought my notebooks, I brought my speaker and my stands in case I want to take some pictures or whatever. I'm really trying to do better at taking pictures. But what we about to listen to, I was listening to Nipsey Hussle all day. I drank 2 cups of coffee. I'm like pumped up. She went to go get me something to eat. She's gonna drop it off, and then I'm going to keep it moving. So just me, just this computer, just my goals. I'm gonna put it on Beyonce because, you know, she do get it popping or whatever. Beyonce always gets it popping. Like, she always makes you want to do your best because she's a beast. So what album? Ooh, it's a good one. Oh, I've been working for only 2 hours, but it seems like forever. So just like if you're at work and you're you know, working, don't you take a break or whatever? So we are just gonna cross the street, maybe get a quick little drink. I'm trying to feel the sun. I like it cold when I work. I don't know why, I just like it cold. So my toes are freezing, and yeah, now we're here. So I'm still keto. Alright. Did you want cheers? I can make my drink. Alright. Cheers to getting this work done. Just got back to the room. had a really good lunch, really good drinks. With the air back on super cold, and about to get back on this computer. I counted when I was away. I have 19 sections or chapters in all, so I've only completed 4, but I'm about to do the rest or whatever, so let's get it. Girl, it is getting real. I had to come up out of the wig. I done cut my finger today, eating a salad from Chick-fil-A. I done came up my pants. It is, what time is it? Girl, I don't even know what time it is, honey. It's 11:35 and I am still here working, and I actually have 19 chapters and I have completed 14, so only 5 more to go, and then I'm done with my keto ebook, and you guys are gonna be so happy. The Keto Pinkprint is proof that you can do anything. Just put your mind to it, make a plan, then slay. Hey Keto Cuties, this is crystalchanel, better known as Chrissy the Doll on social media, and I am super excited to share with y'all the Keto Pinkprint. Now, if you're wondering, what is keto? I know you heard about it this last couple of years. Keto just is short for ketogenic. All it means is a certain way of eating. You eat less carbs, you eat more healthy fats, and your body burns weight. How do you do it? How do you get started? What to eat? When I started keto, I had all these questions and more. Don't worry, sis, I got you covered. That is exactly why I created the Keto Pinkprint. It's the ultimate girlfriend's guide to learning and living a ketogenic lifestyle. The first section is the actual Keto Pinkprint manual. It's the guide, it's the pink print. It's gonna lay out what you need to know and how you need to know it, but you get to learn it in a fun way. Again, you can do your own research, but I have it here for you put together in an ebook form, which is a super fun and convenient format. It's filled with over 70 pages of the history, how to start, how to calculate the way that you should eat, the type of foods that you should eat, the foods you should stick away from. There's even some self-reflection in there because, again, weight loss is personal. This is your own journey. Pinkprint is its own brand. I do have supplements that are vegan and they're made with natural ingredients, and they just supercharge you to give you a boost on your journey. Now, not by any means am I saying you have to do keto with supplements. That is not what I'm saying. I'm saying if you need that boost, if you need something to help you with your appetite, your energy, just overall getting in electrolytes so that you feel your best and not have the keto flu, I have options for you. The Keto Pinkprint is everything you need to know about the keto lifestyle. I'm talking about a blueprint, if you will, or a pink print, because I made this especially for my ladies.